everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. على حسب انتم وقت تشوفوا الفيديو. So, this is Miss Rania. Today we have lesson number 2 or section number 2, which is what's happening. What's happening? So here we are continuing the second section or the second lesson of the second module. يعني المحور الثاني. الدرس الثاني المحور الثاني. Okay, so we have done Ali's friend. Section number 1 is Ali's friend. Now section number 2, what's happening? What's happening? So the first rule here, we don't pronounce the G. راني ما نجيش ننطق الجي ما نقولش what's happening. No, we say what's happening. What's happening? So activity 1, what are they doing? What are they doing? Match these sentences with the pictures. So here we have different pictures. We have from 1 to 5. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, and picture 5. Okay, so we are going to match between the pictures and these sentences. So for example, we have sentence A, Ali is cleaning the garage. Ali is cleaning the garage. Okay, so let's see. Ali is cleaning the garage. Okay, so this is number 4. So we are going to just write the number of the picture. قدامها باش نكتب the number of the picture. Okay, so we have this is number 4. Okay, move on. We have B. His mother is preparing couscous for lunch. His mother is preparing couscous for lunch. So let's see. So his mother is preparing couscous for lunch. So obviously she is in the kitchen. معناتها راهي في الكيتشن في المطبخ. So this is 1. Okay, move on. We have B or C. His father is washing his car. His father is washing his car. This picture is picture number 3. So his father is washing his car. This is number 3. Move on. We have D. His sister is tidying up Peter's room. His sister is tidying up. To tidy up is to clean. نظف. Okay. نخمل احنا نقوله. So his sister is tidying up Peter's room. So it's picture number 5. Okay. We write down here 5. E. Sorry. E. His brothers are playing in the garden. His brothers are playing in the garden. So it's picture 2. So we have A, Ali is cleaning the garage. B, his mother is preparing couscous for lunch. C, his father is cleaning his car. D, his sister is tidying up Peter's room. E, his brothers are playing in the garden. So move on to the next page. What do we have? What's happening, Ali? Everybody is busy today. What's happening, Ali? Everybody is busy today. My friend Peter arrives today from Britain. So his friend, so Ali's friend is Peter, isn't it? احنا مازلنا كي شفنا اللي Ali's friend صاحبه اللي هو Peter. So he arrives today, مازال كي وصل اليوم, arrives today from Britain. Okay, so what's happening, Ali? Everybody is busy today. So busy بمعنى مشغول. So هو زعما على شكون يحكي. So he is talking about all of these pictures. Okay, so we have, for example, Ali is cleaning the garage. The mother is cleaning, the sister is tidying, the father is washing. The brothers are playing. So everybody is busy بمعنى مشغول. Okay, so if you notice carefully, okay, if you pay attention, we are here using the present progressive, or what we call the present continuous. The present progressive. Okay, what's the present progressive? For what we use it? علاش نستعملوا in the present progressive? With the present progressive, if I am talking about something that is happening right now, معناتها باش نحكي على حاجة قاعدة تحصل توا. Okay, and right now توا معناتها لا من بعد لا قبل لا حد شيء. Now. Okay. So the present progressive, we use it to talk about something شيء which is happening right now. يعني باش نحكي على حاجة أو حدث قاعد يحصل توا في اللحظة هذه وأنا قاعد نتكلم. So what's the rule? قاعدة I plus am, he, she, it plus is, we, you, they plus are plus verb plus ing. أنا كي نجي نشوف كيفاش بالضبط القاعدة باش نجم نحفظها. So what do we have? It's very easy. اللي هي subject. السبجكت اللي هما I, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus to be. و to be نجم يكون is or or are. Okay, والقاعدة هاي نزلت قدامكم. Plus verb plus the ing form. So subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. معناتها to be هذه الام ولا is ولا are هذوما to be. Okay, so verb to be goes along with the suitable personal pronoun. يمشي مع personal pronoun نتاعو. Okay, كان I باش نعطي كان he, she, it باش نعطي is, كان you, we, they باش نعطي are. Okay, and last but not least we add verb plus ing. في الآخر بالكل باش يجي نهز نعطي verb plus ing. Like this. Okay, where's the simple present? I'm sorry, the present progressive. زعما وينو احنا the present progressive? Let's take a look. So this is the present progressive. Is cleaning. We have is preparing. This is the present progressive. Is washing. Is tidying. Tidying up. هي مع بعضها tidying up. Are playing. So this is the present progressive. قاعدين تلاحظوا اللي انتم عندكم verb to be اللي هو اللي هنا مستعمل آلي عطاني is, his mother, his father, his sister. عطاهم كيف ال is وال his brothers عطاهم are والverb اللي باش يجي بعد عطيناه ال ing. نتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا بالكدا. So is or are or plus verb plus ing. Okay, now we move on. Okay, move on to the next pages. So activity 2, step 1. Look at the pictures, ask your friend questions. So we are going to ask our friends question. What is or are, okay, doing now? So for example, this is pupil B, A, and this is pupil B. For example, we have Ahmed, Saeed, Reem, Noura, and Qais. Okay, so we can ask, okay, we can say, what is Ahmed doing? What is Reem doing? Okay. What is Saeed doing? What is Noura doing? What is Qais doing? إذا كان باش نستعمل الR نلمهم الكل نقول what are the children doing now? Okay, so what is Saeed or Ahmed doing? Ahmed is playing the guitar. Let's have some examples. Let's write down. باش نكتب لكم في أي بلاصة باش نوضح لكم. Okay, so right here we have what is, for example, Ahmed doing? What is Ahmed doing? So the answer is Ahmed is, for example, playing the guitar. Okay, so we have Ahmed عطيته is خاطر أحمد هو he وعطيته is. Okay, next we have verb to play plus ing. This is an example, another example. So, what is Rima doing? What is Reem doing? So, she is drawing. She is drawing. Okay, understood? انتم المطلوب منكم باش تكملوا هذه الكل تكتبوا لي ديما في الكومنتس below باش نجم نصلحهم لكم كالعادة. So, what is Saeed doing? He is cycling. What is Noura doing? She is watching cartoons. What is Qais doing? He is reading a book. Now we have pupil B. So we have play. Ahmed is playing football. What is Ahmed playing? He is playing football. What is Reem doing? She is dancing. What is Saeed doing? He is swimming. And pay attention, swimming with double M. Dima swimming ريفها double M. What is Noura doing? She is listening to music. She is listening to music. What is Qais doing? He is writing. Okay? So ask the teacher questions about the picture in her or his head. So the teacher باش يعطيكم the picture. Okay? في يده وانتم باش تسألوا كما احنا كنا نقولوا what is Ahmed doing? What is Saeed doing? What is Reem doing? So this is it. Understood? So we say what plus is or are plus the subject اللي هو احنا subject نتاعنا الفاعل هنا اللي هو احمد or Reem or Saeed or Noura etc plus verb plus ing. اوكي نستنى منكم باش تعملوهم هذوما الكل بالquestions بالanswer نتاعهم and you comment below تحطوها لي في الكومنتس below. Okay, I will wait for you. Now Pupil, okay. Is or are dancing? Yes, he is. Or are, no. Okay. Now we have the question form. The question form. So, for example, we have is or are. So, is. For example, who is dancing? Let's see. Who is dancing? Let's see. I think it's Reem. Yes. So, Reem here is dancing. Yes or no? So, we are going to ask a question. To ask a question. So, we say is. Okay. Is Reem is Reem, okay, is Reem, and let's see, is Reem dancing? So we say yes, Reem مش نعطيها subject pronoun نتاعها اللي هي she. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. كون جت هي ماهيش تعمل في الدانسين نقولوا no, she isn't. No, she isn't. Another example. Is أحمد reading? Is أحمد reading? كان هو reading نقول yes he is. كان لا شو نقول؟ نقول no he isn't. Are the children playing? Are the children playing? No, they aren't. Or yes, they are. Okay? And so on and so on. Like this. Okay? Move on. Now we have the present progressive. We have the affirmative and the negative. الافirmative والنيجاتيف. الافirmative اللي احنا لازمنا كي شفناه اللي هو الجمله البسيطه. النيجاتيف okay so there we have not. تدخل لي not والنوت اللي هي شنو باش تعمل لي not. النوت ديما راهي تعطيني النيجيشن تعطيني النيجاتيف اللي تعطيني النفي. So here what do we have? We have I am plus verb plus ing. I am not. So we say I am not going to the cinema today. I am not listening to music. I am not dancing. He, she, it plus is not plus verb plus ing. For example, we say she is not dancing. He is not watching TV. Okay? You, we, they plus are not plus verb plus ing. We say we are not swimming. You are not listening carefully. They are not cycling. Okay? Yes or no questions. Yes or no questions. So okay, نبدأ كيما اللي مازلنا كي عملناه yes or no questions. باش نجاوب باليس ولا no. So for example, وقتها ما عادش يجيني subject pronoun هو النهاية. No, we switch between the subject pronoun and the auxiliary اللي هو الverb to be. ايش معناتها switch؟ معناتها نقلب ما بيناتهم الزوز. So تولي or is or are هما الأولانيين. أول حاجة نجيب الverb to be. So for example, we say are you listening to music? Is he dancing? Are they swimming? عملت verb to be plus subject plus verb plus ing. كل question form ولا interrogative form. لو ما عادش subject pronoun هو الأول. subject pronoun اللي هو الفاعل في الجملة. So we switch between the subject pronoun and the verb or the auxiliary. هنا يعني الauxiliary الauxiliary معناتها اللي هو verb to be. So we have جيني verb to be أول حاجة plus subject اللي هما I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus verb plus ing. Now, if we have an affirmative answer or a negative answer. So, affirmative yes, negative أكيد no. For example, we have yes, you are, or yes, he is, or yes, okay, they are. بالnegation تولي aren't وال isn't. Okay. For example, is Ahmed reading a book? Is Ahmed reading a book? تولي لي yes, he is, or no, he isn't. كيف عملت لهنا بالضبط. So, is she dancing? Is she dancing? Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Okay, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Okay, now what do we have? Asking questions. كيما احنا لازمنا نسألنا بيه أول مرة اللي what is Ahmed doing? What are they doing? Okay, so asking questions. What is plus he, she, it? What are plus you, we, they doing? So, okay, I am, for example, writing. I am watching TV. He is dancing. She is swimming. They are listening to music, etc., etc. So نعاود لهنا ونركز ونقول راهو ال present progressive okay is the easiest tense ever راهو أسهل حاجة. So the present progressive إذا كان حبينا احنا نعملوا له recap. Okay, so we say what do we have? So الaffirmative form كانت لي هكا، كانت لي subject plus verb, no, plus to be plus verb, sorry, plus verb plus ing. كي نشيل الaffirmative no I'm sorry في الانتروجاتيف ايش تولي لي؟ نقلب تولي لي to be هي الأولى plus subject اللي هو ديما الفعل plus verb plus ing. Okay, so this is it. شفتوا كيفاش قلبنا ولا لا؟ قلبنا ما بين السبجكت كان في الأول والverb. Okay, this is the affirmative form. هذه الaffirmative. هذه بعدك عملوا لها حتى سكرين شوت. وهذه الانتروجاتيف هي الجملة الاستفهامية. Okay, interrogative. Okay. Now we are looking for the negative form. والنيجاتيف أي حاجة negative تدخل لها not. So for example we have subject plus to be plus not. أول ما يدخل لي to be. to be. Okay. Plus not plus verb plus ing. So these are the rules. هذه structure. هذه هي القاعدة كيفاش نحفظها بالضبط. من الaffirmative كيفاش تقلب لي interrogative from affirmative and negative to the interrogative. من الaffirmative ولا negative to interrogative. We switch. تلاحظوا إن كلهم يبدوا بالsubject لهنا. Okay. So الinterrogative كيف. But in the interrogative form we start with to be. النيجاتيف تدخل عليها not. هي نفسها affirmative. شنو زيد عليهم كان النot. هذيك هي. Okay. So you do a screenshot or whatever. So listen and repeat. Yeah, you repeat after me. We have now, about, tidy, right, prepare, there, clean, read, together, they, wash, she. Let's repeat. Now, about, tidy, right, prepare, there, clean, read, together, they, wash, and she. Complete the table. Now we are going to write the numbers. So for example, we have 11. Next we have, this is very easy, isn't it? We have 12. Next, we have 14. Next, we have 19. Next, 28. Next, we have 36. Next, we have 44. تردوا بالكم من 44. اوكي هو مش يجيكم قد خاطرني اوكي ماهوش بالضبط معناتها في الاصل. So 14 من غير يو و 14 باليو. Pay attention. We have 12, 14, 19, 28, 36, and 44. Okay, move on. Okay, activity number 3. What is everyone doing? What is everyone doing? خلينا نرجع للصفحة واحدة باش نجم نختموا عليها كتير. So, what is everyone doing? Look at the picture and complete the paragraph. Okay, so let's write down what are they doing. So Mr. Benson, where is Mr. Benson? This is number 1. So for example, yeah, Mr. Benson is reading a newspaper. Here we are using the present progressive. احنا باش نستعمل present progressive. هذاك علاش قاعدين نخدموا فيها. So Mrs. Benson, number 2. Mrs. Benson, look at Mrs. Benson. So Mrs. Benson is watching TV. Okay, Mrs. Benson is watching TV. Next, John, number 3. Where is John? So this is John and he is in front of a computer. So John is, for example, playing computer games. For example, computer games. So John is playing computer games. His sister Jane, let's see, where is Jane? Jane is number 4. This is Jane. So look, she has a book in her hands. So Jane is reading a book. Okay, so Jane is reading a book. Next, we have Sally. Number 5, we have Sally. So Sally has a mobile phone. Okay, so Sally is, for example, playing with the mobile phone, okay? Or she is calling someone, we don't know. يتكلم يتلعب. So, number 6, Tom. This is Tom. So, Tom is drawing. Tom is drawing. They are very happy together. Let's read. Mr. Benson is reading a newspaper. Mrs. Benson is watching TV. John is playing computer games. His sister Jane is reading a book. Sally is playing with the mobile phone. Her brother Tom is drawing. They are very happy together. So this is it. I think everything is clear enough. Okay, يظهر لي برجلي. So this is it. Okay, we have the present progressive. The affirmative form نعود ديما الأفirmative اللي هو subject plus be plus verb plus ing. We have the negative form. We have subject plus be plus not plus verb plus ing. In the interrogative form, we switch between the subject and the auxiliary, which is verb to be. We have to be plus subject plus verb plus ing. This is it for today. Thank you so much and see you next session and next lesson. Goodbye.